Hello guys and welcome. Today we're going to be preparing Nigerian beef suya. So let's do this together. Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today we're going to be making suya, Nigerian beef suya. Ideally you want to start off with meat that is tender beef meat like so, and you should cut them as thin as possible. You have to cut it as thin as possible. If it's possible for you to cut it a little bit thinner than this, then that will be great. And this shape is also perfect to start off with. Here I have chicken stock cube. I have crushed it finely, and next I'm going to be adding vegetable oil to it. And I'll mix it together to make it as homogeneous as possible. I have the two major ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe here, and that's the oil and seasoning mix here, oil and stock cube mix, and also suya spice. The first thing I'm going to do is to apply the oil and seasoning mix on the meat like so. I'm going to apply it all over the meat. And then I'll flip over the meat and apply it on the other side as well. I'll flip over each one and apply on the other side like so. The meat is all laid on the parchment paper. Apply the suya spice all over the beef like so, and then I'll massage the suya spice into the meat so that it can be absorbed as much as possible like so. Then I will flip over each one and then apply the suya spice on the other side. And then massage again. Next, I'm going to arrange all of them on the rack, like so. Apply the oil mix again. The oil mixed with the stock cubes. I'll apply again on top. I'm now going to transfer this into the oven for 35 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Another option you can use for this is to use charcoal grill, or you can also use flame. But in this case, I'm going to use the oven. Our Nigerian beef suya is ready, guys. And it's looking so yummy. You can either decide to have your suya on a stick or on newspaper, as it is popularly served as a street food in Nigeria. Very yummy street food. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscribers as well. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, and remember to thumbs up, share, subscribe as well, and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take good care of yourself and stay safe. Bye guys.